Welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Telegram series part 10. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find Telegram ID by phone number. Open your Telegram app first. In this page, you will see pencil icon below just above the camera icon. Click on it and the icon will change to something like this and this window appears. Again click on it and something will pop up. Here you need to add the name and phone number of the person. Once you're done, click on create contact, and if this person has a Telegram account, it will directly take you to this. But if the person doesn't have Telegram account, an option to invite that person will pop up. If you click on invite, an invitation to download Telegram app will be sent to that person. So this is how you find Telegram ID by phone number. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.